Hi there, it's Albert Luck again from luckymaths.co.uk doing percentage of an amount 1. Again, the worksheet's available on the website in the resources section. We're using the ratio table and we're starting off with, this is the warm-up kind of exercise, let's say. So the percentages, if you've watched the introduction video, I went into more detail with doing 5%, 1% calculations. Here, it's only getting 10% and then kind of doubling is really all you're going to need to get through these examples. Again, if you want to pause and try and complete them yourself, then go for it. Otherwise, we're going to find 10% by dividing the 100% value by 10. So 800 divided by 10 means 10% of 800 is therefore 80. And I'm not going to bother filling in the blanks I don't need to on the questions. Question 2, 100% is 400. 10% therefore, 10 times less than that, is 40. And to turn 10% into 20%, we double it. So another answer of 80. Question 3, 60% of 200. So we start off with 100% starting value 200. 10% will be 20. If we double that, that means 20% is 40. And 40% is 80. So no need to get 80%. The question is, how do we generate 60%? Well, actually, if we add together the 40% and the 20%, 80 plus 40 means that 60% of 200 will be 120. And finally, we start with 500. 10% will be 50. Double that is 100. So that means 40% is 200 and 80% would be 400. Now 80%, again, I've done that, I filled that in, but it's too far. It's too high. Unless I look at doing a couple of different kind of answers here. One possible way to find 70% is to find your 80% value and subtract 10%. The other way, the standard way I suppose I'd tell you to do, is to add the 40, 20 and 10% together. I'm just showing you the alternative there in case you want to choose that one. 200 plus 100 plus 50 means that 70% of 500 is 350. Thanks for watching.